Naka. First of all, thank you for the welcome, the chorus, very inspiring and very entertaining. I hear some very good vocals here, and I'm very eager to see what it's going to be like in the next few years. Well, children, first of all, I'm really, really happy to be here today. It's the first time for me to come to this area. I've heard about it, but this is my first time. And I've been told there's a lot of good things happening here. Lots of love that is here. But most importantly, the challenges. You are being brought here to come and taught, to be loved, and to be strengthened, to be given the confidence, so that as you live, you go with confidence. Confidence to fight the struggles and the challenges of life. And there is no other way to meet those challenges and to face those challenges is through the faith of Jesus Christ. It is only He, because He is the only one, because He is the provider and the giver of life. So for you in your young years, I know that you may have the challenges that you go through from different backgrounds that you're in. But you're brought here, that you came here for a purpose. And that purpose is to strengthen you and build you up to be good citizens and to be of good character. And the challenges that you go through, you'll be able to excel in life. So use this opportunity whilst here. I don't know what background you come from. I don't know what you went through. The trauma or the things that you go through, I don't know. Only you know. So I want you to use those negative challenges that you went through to build yourself up, to fight through those challenges and to be someone that your sisters and your brothers here can look up to in life. And remember that. Life, they say, it's not a problem to be solved. It's a mystery, because a mystery is something that you don't know. Only God knows. So if you want to know what's life, have your faith, strengthen your faith in the Lord, and equip yourselves with humility, with courage, with boldness and confidence. Those are the key that will guide you to reach your dreams. So from us here, from the State House, from the First Lady, and all the team here, we came all the way from Suva to come in, just to share what little that we have, so that we can all share during this festive season. This is a season of giving, season of hope, and a season of sharing that love. And we are here I left my residence in Suva to come all the way to Nadi just to come and meet you beautiful children. And I thank you for that. Thank you for the good welcome. And I hope that my presence today will inspire you to become someone later in life. You know, in school, try to work hard in school, try to be good children in school, learn to listen, you know, and be humble. That is the only thing that I will ask of you. When you have that in you, life is not going to be a challenge. You can just go through life easily. Why? Because you have the challenge in you. We have all the team coming here. We have police officers, we have army officers, we have Ministry of Information. All of this can be you in the future. You can be a photographer like Nani say. You can be an officer of the government at the State House like Serian and Rosa. And you could be police officers like Mr. Vili Kesa there. All that, you can be that in life. There's nothing that's stopping you from being there. And you know what? This work can take you overseas. So if you want to go overseas one day, work hard in school, just ask these beautiful people that are here what their professions are, and that will take you there. Like I said, don't use the challenges that you went through, the problems that you go through, as something that will hold you back. All right? Life is not a problem to be solved. Treat life as a mystery. Try to expect what's out there. And try to be bold, to go out there and meet it up. Okay? So with those few words, I wish you all the best in this Christmas, and I hope all is going to be good in the coming year. And I hope, God willing, that we will meet here in the next year. Hope when I come around, I'll try and make a point to come and say hello whilst I'm on my en route either to Lotok or going back to Suva. So again, to the father here and all the team, the matron, all the cake staff here, for me personally, thank you for the heart and thank you for the humility. Na wale mo na binaka, na wale mo na loma, na wale mo na numni sere no mningona. Muni me lingai ke mami na leni lewe biti. Eno no tumberi da ko sere soli, er so tabona ne bango. Sini roro na me ben kare bango. Sini roro. Na yalo nga sa ni kadi be mikina, na numni lesi. Ngo. Mat sa pakalunga tikimini kaluna kana yalo muni yalo malua, muni yalo do bosota. Dina ni na sini lebu sarna ka no ni na ba kaya te kina ya dorkata ta kama na bambota kini sawe na bonito kaya torkina na ngono o ba binate ki mdo kel sara ena no muni sira tur muni ngona vera to na vera sira sira no tumberi dak rabarota ki merta mata yanga merta mata kokua merta mata rauka na besi ni mataka na bugani maten tu na buki mami todo ka senga na kai tu biki mami sani mimi masunga na ngai soborati ko no manakalu kina no muni ndu imbula ndu no mula no muni bubale kina no muni soli na ngai rede kina na binaka kina tali ni ndo muri no mana no ondo kai chiko libo no Dindino no da lesi. Dindino no da kanda karibikina. And the bad winner can Salvador Chicolomana. On a signi kuasa, one in Binatu. The Kaleki Tokota Maiki tak. In the Mayang Sarabali, like a Tarayaki Chico. Numbuli Bingaravi, the Visu Sene Chico. When the Chican with Tabi, Wabi Vinata Chico, one day take a chicken is and a signi kuasa symbol of Savannah Kennedy.